Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel Anusri English channel. My name is Anu Mathur. Friends, I hope you all are doing great. You are perfect and fine and you are practicing of your English speaking. Friends, in today's video, I am going to talk about the secret of learning English language. Yes friends, if you are the one who is willing to speak English very fast, very soon, very confidently, just like a native speaker, so definitely you must know what the secret is of learning English language. Friends, in my initial stage, when I started learning English language, I was very passionate towards this language and I wanted to speak this language very soon. And friends, the day I got to know about some tips and tricks, I started applying, and within couple of days I saw changes in myself. Friends, I guarantee you by the end of 1 month you will definitely start speaking in English language very fluently and very confidently. If you are consistent, if you are determined towards this language. Because friends, I am also a learner just like you. I have also faced so many difficulties in terms of learning English language. Friends, from my point of view, if I can learn this language, if I can speak this language, so definitely you can also speak this language. Because friends, it's all about practice. If you are focused towards your practice, if you are doing practice regularly, continuously, so no one can stop you to speak this language. Practice is the main key which we have to follow, friends. And you know very well that right practice in the right direction is the key to success. So you have to do your practice in the right direction. There are so many English learners, they are putting their effort for a long time, but still they are struggling with this issue that they are not able to talk in English language. When they think to talk in English language, they are unable to talk. They just speak in their mind very good English. Okay, but when it's come to reality, so they get hesitant, they are afraid while speaking, they are scared of speaking, they are not able to speak. That's why friends, I'm telling you, if you listen what I'm going to speak with you, what I'm going to share with you very attentively, so definitely within 30 days you can speak English very confidently, very fluently, and you will get rid of all your issue which you are suffering with, like fear of making mistake, fear of speaking in English language, getting hesitant while speaking language. Okay friends, so without getting any delay, let's get into the video. The first thing what you have to do, you have to select the method of your learning. Like what method you have selected. If you have recently started your English learning journey, you are a beginner, so what method have you applied in your learning process? What method have you applied in your learning process? Because it's all about method, friends. If you are learning English language taking pressure, so you will not get success. Because friends, pressure is a very horrible thing. When we start doing anything taking pressure, so we don't get success. वही चीज़ें और भी ख़राब होती जाती हैं जब हम प्रेशर से कोई काम करते हैं तो. सो यू हैव टू learn English with fun, because this is a journey and you have to enjoy this journey. In this journey you have to enjoy each and every process. Okay friends, so with fun you have to speak this language. And the second one is that you have to clear your why. Why do you want to speak this language? What is your goal, mission, target? For job, for interview, for career, for fashion, for talking to your friend, or for public speaking. What is your goal to learn this language? What is your goal? Your mission is hidden behind learning this language. So you have to clear first of all. Because why friends, why I am telling you like that, why I am telling you friends, because I know very well that until and unless you fix your goal, you cannot be determined. Once you fix your goal, you will see. Once you fix your goal, you will visualize your goal. Because you can see the upcoming sign in your future. You will never get demotivated. You will always keep moving forward. That's why I'm telling you, in your learning process you have to fix your goal first. And friends, the third one is that is very important, friends. When you are talking to anyone, okay, so you have to speak in English very slowly. Slowly means in a slow speed you have to speak, because friends, we have in life this thing that while writing you get enough time to think and write. Okay, same goes with speaking. If you speak in a slow speed, so you will get enough time to think, and you will get rid of this kind of problem like I am unable to think in English language. You can start thinking in English language while practicing of your English speaking. And friends, the last one is that you have to apply survival method in your learning journey. Survival method plays very important role in your learning process. You have to start speaking common words in English language. You have to replace all the words and images in English. What you see, like if you see kitab, so you have to speak book. Okay, what I want to speak, from morning to evening, whatever you speak, you have to change. You have to replace in English. You have to speak in English. That's how you can build up your confidence. That's how you can build up confidence in English language. You may have seen a child in his initial stage, how he speaks. He just conveys his message. Like if he is thirsty and he wants to quench his thirst, so he asks for water. And how he asks for water, like using very small word, not very small word, grammatical mistake. He is not able to speak in the beginning stage very correct word, but we people understand what he is asking, what a child is asking, because he conveys his message. Friends, the same thing you have to do. You have started your English learning journey and you want to become a fluent speaker. So in your initial stage, you have to focus towards expression, not impression. You have to convey your message. Okay, friends, while doing this kind of activity, initially you will find very difficulty, but friends, gradually you will see improvement in yourself, and eventually you will become a fluent speaker. So friends, I hope the things which I mentioned in this video with you, definitely you will follow. Just accept this challenge that from morning to evening, whatever you are speaking, you will speak in English language. You will speak in English. If you don't know to speak a sentence, so in your sentence you can speak common words in English language. You can create a story by using common words of English language, of English. Okay, friends. So I hope this video is going to help you a lot in order to speak English very fluently, confidently, and just like a native speaker. Let's meet in the next video, friends. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.